Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious non-alcoholic mojito with Sprite. First, you'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, half a lime, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. For the bubbly finish, grab a can of Sprite or your favorite lemon-lime soda. Don't forget your muddler and some tall, refreshing glasses to serve your perfect mocktail in. This simple recipe is great for any occasion. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito. Place your mint leaves, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and the juice from half a lime into your glass. Gently muddle these ingredients together for about 30 seconds. The goal is to release the mint's aromatic oils without tearing the leaves too much. Once muddled, fill your glass about 2/3 full with crushed ice, preparing it for the next step. With your muddled base and ice ready, it's time for the star of our non-alcoholic mojito, Sprite. Slowly pour the chilled Sprite over the ice, filling your glass to the top. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined. For that classic mojito look and an extra burst of freshness, garnish your drink with a lime wedge and a vibrant sprig of fresh mint. Enjoy your refreshing creation. Your delicious non-alcoholic mojito with Sprite is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor the crisp, refreshing flavors. Feel free to get creative and add other fruits like muddled strawberries or raspberries for a unique twist. For those looking to simplify their home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your space sparkling clean effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.